Hello you guys, today I want to talk about this site called User Testing. User Testing is basically a website where you can earn up to $60 per survey. Now this is not something that you can get rich overnight with, or that you can quit your job just because you started it. This is basically something where you can earn some extra money, or your teammates can earn some extra money to, people who want to join your team, or become a part of your network marketing company if you're an MLM. That's what this is. Now, it's a simple website. All you guys literally have to do is literally come to the website and click get paid to test. It's a real simple process. Basic information. You need a PayPal account in order to get paid. Now with this right here, they pay you 7 days after you complete your survey. Now you're not going to qualify for every survey that they have, but you will qualify for some surveys. I posted proof that I got paid via PayPal. And the payments are still coming in today. These are just some of the companies that actually use user testing to test the platform. Now, some of these surveys you may have to sign what they call a non-disclosure agreement, because some of these sites may not be out yet, and they just trying to get your honest opinion about it. It's real simple. You will actually, me personally, I try to take every survey that I qualify for the simple fact those are just $10 payments that I didn't really have to do nothing for. All I had to do was speak out loud in front of my computer and give people my honest opinion about their website. And that's basically all that you're doing with this website. Some of these surveys you can earn up to $60. Like literally $60 per survey. Some surveys they might want you to talk on the phone to a representative, and literally you'll get paid like $60, within 7 days. Now, for a disclaimer, I'm not telling you that you're gonna get paid with every, I'm not telling you that you're gonna actually qualify for every survey, because you're not. I can't show you my platform because that's just something in the agreement that you can't do. So this right, like I said again, usertesting.com. If you guys are not a part of it, you can become a part of it. This is not an affiliate, so if you go to usertesting.com, as you can see, I don't have my affiliate link. This is not an affiliate program, so I don't get paid for you becoming a part of usertesting.com. I don't get anything from it. So this is not some kind of marketing company. So basically, that's all you're doing is just getting paid up to $60 per survey, and pretty much that's all you're doing. This is a way, if somebody don't have any money to join your team or join your MLM, you can say, hey, I have the site you can use. I'm gonna give you like a month or so to save up $30 or $40, or however much it costs to join your MLM program that you're in. But that's basically it. I'm not going to take long on this video because it's not a long video. Till next time, man, y'all keep chasing your dream.